You're watching the Craftsman Workshop on QVC.
Look at all those smiling faces. We're here at QVC Studio Park in Westchester, Pennsylvania. We have a live audience. My name is Dan Wheeler, and it is a great Craftsman Workshop. Bob Vila is with us tonight, and Bob's going to be joining us with some more of those great soft-sided tool storage ideas for you that he's put his stamp of approval on. By the way, if you like the shirt I'm wearing, you can have a shirt like this too. It's available in medium, large, extra large, and double extra large. And the item number for the Bob Vila signature shirt is V16866-2997. Just a great, sturdy, durable shirt. Well, we're going to move along and reintroduce Mr. Rob Gerlach. Rob is a manager of training and development for Sears.
Correct, for
in
tools
and paint.
Tools
Great
and
to have
paint.
you. Thanks.
Thanks,
This
Dan.
is your first time here with us, right?
Yes, it is. First time on QVC.
You and Bob Vila made your first appearance together.
Yes, we did.
All right. We've got another great idea for Father's Day. This is something that'll turn your drill into an efficient drilling and driving machine. It is called the Craftsman Speed Lock Master Drill Drive System. This is a huge set, 95 pieces, and the heart of the system is right here. It's what we call the quick connector, where you can very quickly and easily change bits. In fact, that's all there is to it, isn't it, Rob?
Absolutely. It eliminates constant chucking and rechucking.
Yeah, and that's where you lose all your time on a drilling project. We used to have 2 drills when we were like hanging a door because you didn't want to keep changing your bits. You lost so much time. So look at, now this you can use with any cordless or corded drill.
That's
in the
right.
3/8.
Yep, any 3/8 or half-inch drill.
3/8 or half-inch drill. But that's just one small piece. I'm going to show you quickly, give you an overview of everything that's in the set, and then we'll have Rob demonstrate this set for you. You are going to get the Quick Connect Speed Lock adapter that I just showed you. You are also going to get the screw guides for when you're driving screws and you want to get them straight. This actually helps you start the screw with that sleeve down, and then you drive it down there. It keeps you going straight every time. You get a good variety of bits. Lots of zirconium bits. In fact, 10 zirconium bits, 5 masonry bits, and 5 wood boring bits. You have a couple of wire brushes. These are great for cleaning your grill, for cleaning off metal. You've got some surface preparation pads here, all kinds of different thicknesses and coarseness, various coarseness materials. You've got some screw sets. You're going to be able to do a lot of things with this set professionally. And you've got countersinks here, which is very important if you're working near the edge of a piece of wood and you don't want to split the wood. A lot of these composite decks that are out today, you have to kind of pre-drill the hole.
Yes.
Well, those are going to help you to do that as well with the countersinks. We've got a drill flip drive situation. We've got some screwdriver bits in here. I mean, this is a huge set, Rob.
This is great. One of the things that I like to emphasize to our associates when they're selling a drill is a drill without a bit is not really a tool.
Yeah.
It's just kind of a motor.
Yeah.
You've got to have great bits, and you've got to make it simple for the customer. That's why we always want to advocate the Craftsman Speed Lock. This allows the customer to quickly move from bit to bit and change them. It also comes with a hand. You could use it as a hand screwdriver right here as well.
And that has the Quick Connect built
has the Quick
in.
Connect built right in.
By the way, we only have about 400 of these available tonight, made in the USA. Fits all brands of 3/8 or half-inch drive, corded or cordless drills. What a great Father's Day gift. And we're going to demonstrate a lot of the ways this will help you out. By the way, if you were to purchase all of these tools separately from Sears, you'd pay over $291. Our price tonight is $109.74. Now, we're seeing some videotape there. That's how easy you can put that Quick Connect into your drill.
Absolutely. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and just drill a couple of holes. You can change bits very easily. You want to go ahead and put on your...
We're still watching. That's the countersink right there, where you pre-drill, flip, and now you can drive.
Absolutely, right. It's one smooth motion.
And that's going to keep you professional. All right, Rob, what do you want to show us?
Well, we're just going to go ahead and drill a couple holes here.
Okay.
We've got a cordless drill. You can use it with a corded drill. The nice thing about this is on a corded drill, you've got your key chuck here. If you lose the key, what do? On a cordless drill, of course, you might have a keyless chuck. However, it's still a lot faster with the speed lock.
Oh,
let's go ahead and...
that saves so much time. Fire away. So you drilled your hole.
Right. Well, let's just say I wanted to drill a different hole.
Okay.
I want a different size. Oh.
Okay. going with
Let's
the
go ahead
one.
and, right.
And by the way, you do have the two size quick connectors. You've got the 7/16 and the 1/4 inch now. So you're not wasting time chucking and rechecking. Look at how quickly he's changing bits.
Right.
And now if he wants to drive, put in one of the screw driving bits, boom, that fits in that quickly. Moments, I mean seconds instead of minutes.
Absolutely.
And that saves
you can drill and drive, one easy motion. Especially, like you mentioned, the countersinking is much easier when you have something you can quickly change, just one smooth motion flipping it over.
Right. Now we've got, now only about 300 of these are available. We have some self-centering attachments if you're going to be hanging a door and you want to, in fact, maybe we can demonstrate that for you right now.
Well, right here, if you're putting on a handle, you need something that's going to self-center, because you don't want that drill bit to be wandering everywhere. So you want something that's going to go straight so that when you do put in your screw, you've got a nice flush fit.
Right. Show them how this works. When that pops down.
Right. You're going to have the...
see how that centers it?
Right. You're going to have this stays right there in the center, and it comes straight through and allows you to have a nice center hole and keeps it flush.
This is one of those sets that's so big to try and demonstrate everything in the set. We just couldn't possibly do it in the time we have allotted here this evening. But it's 95 pieces. You've got quick connects, a couple of quick connects. You've got the quick connect handle. You can use this with any corded or cordless drill. That's 3/8 or 1/2 inch. And you've got, plus the bits. I mean, if you were to go out and price these zirconium bits, large bits, have you priced a bit like this lately? It can be quite costly.
Oh, yeah.
Here, all of this is thrown in. I mean, you get 10 of these zirconium bits, 5 of the masonry bits, 5 of the all-purpose bits. This is just loaded with value.
Absolutely. This is one of those sets that you have this, you can do just about everything. One of the other things is if you've got a grill. How many times do you have a grill and you want to get some rust off of it or you want to just kind of clean it up? You can actually use this particular type of brush and clean it up.
And use the power of your drill. That's what this is about. Turning your drill into such an efficient, not just a drill driving machine, as I said earlier, but a cleaning machine. I mean, you can let the power of the drill go to town. Now, we don't have a lot of these remaining. It's a great Father's Day gift. It's going to be a nice anniversary gift, nice birthday present. We have about 250 to go around. At $109.74, the value compared to $291 is quite a savings. Let's run through everything you get right here in this case. By the way, Rob, we didn't mention the case.
Absolutely. You've got to have something to store it in, something to keep it nice. These fit in real nice and tight, too.
Yeah.
You watch, it takes a little bit of pressure to get them out, but you want that. You don't want it slipping around and falling out when you're carrying it.
Yeah, you want it to hold that bit. And by the way, this is just all going to fold right over there, close up, and you've got your case. Everything neatly organized, everything in its place. Here's what you get. I mentioned the bits. We've got just quite an array of 6 masonry bits, 5 wood boring bits, 10 zirconium bits. Then you've got a lot of drilling bits, both flat, Robertson, posi drive. You've got the Phillips. You've got your self-centering screw there. You've got your nut setter, a 4-piece nut setter set, a 4-piece wire brush set. You've got the screw guide, the speed locks, your countersinks, all that included for $109.74. Thank you, Rob.
Thank you, Dan.
Busy night for you tonight.
Yes, it is.
B13633, $109.74. That's an introductory price. This is a big 2-hour Craftsman workshop tonight, and we've got about an hour and 10 minutes to go. Now, we started the show with this one. Over 1,800 of these have now been ordered. It's V16401. That's the spin saw, 4-amp spin saw. I mean, that thing will allow you to do so much. $58.76. It comes with the plunge router attachment. It comes along with the circle cutting guide. It comes along with the plunge router, and just a lot of versatility there for $58.76. Okay, V16401. Hey, Joan Rivers is coming up on QVC. Here's something special she'll have for you.